we've talked about allocation of resources and prioritization, but anything else to add on if ISVs are deciding to build internally or outsource, how do they make that decision?
So essentially, I would say there are three main considerations, and they center around expertise, speed, and resource availability they already mentioned. So from the expertise perspective, like, do you have people with relevant skills? Do you have Agentforce is new, right? And outsourcing it to a PDO that has hands-on experience can really provide immediate value and avoids the quite a steep learning curve. From the speed perspective, how quickly do you need to get to market? Internal teams may require ramp-up time, whereas working with a PDO can accelerate delivery without sacrificing quality. And finally, resource availability. I mentioned that if you assign resources internally, that typically means that you're actually pulling them from other projects. So we have to weigh the opportunity cost of doing it in-house against value a PDO can bring, not just in execution, but in ensuring that the solution is scalable, secure, and overall aligned with Salesforce's best practices.